Hello dear student, how are you all? I'm Mansoor Alam Ansari. I work in Kendriya Vidyalaya Barpeta. In this video, we are going to learn first lesson of class 3rd EVS. Chapter 1st, Poonam's Day Out from class 3rd EVS. Chapter 1, Poonam's Day Out. Through this chapter, we will learn amazing fact related to the animals. If you are thinking you know about animals, then I want to ask some question to you. Answer the following questions. What are the animals living inside houses? How does a mosquito move? Do you know any animal which can hop? Do all animals that live on trees have tails? How do insects move? Why do some animals live only in water? Where do rats live? Do snakes have legs? How do they move? How many legs do insects have? Do all insects have 6 legs? Which animal have you only heard about and not seen? What are you thinking? If you are thinking you can't give the answer of this question, then you must watch this video till the end. Let's start this lesson with a video. Name the following animals: dog, cat, cow, monkey, horse, dolphin, elephant, woman, birds, fish, turtle, alligator, snake, toad, frog, butterfly, bug, cricket, salamander. These are animals we can see around us. Now let's see how we can classify these animals. Classification of animals. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals that have a backbone and vertebrates are divided into two categories. First, warm-blooded and second, cold-blooded. Warm-blooded means that they can make their one body heat. Animal that can make their own body heat even when it is cold outside, and cold-blooded animal dependent on outside temperature. They can make their body hotter and cooler according to outside temperature. And warm-blooded animals are divided into three categories. First is mammals, second is birds, and third one is fish. And cold-blooded animals divided into two categories. First is reptiles and second is amphibians. Here is some example of mammals, birds, fishes, reptiles and amphibians. Can you recognize these animals? Mammals. Let's see mammals here: bear, tiger, whale. Name the birds here: cockatoo, lyrebird, hummingbirds, fish, spearfish, shark, lionfish. This is alligator, turtle, a snack. Amphibians means double lives. Animal which can live on earth and in water. That animal called amphibians. Frog, toad, salamander. And we also invite see and insect. All insects are invertebrates. Invertebrate means the animal that don't have a backbone. Let's see how we can identify mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians. First, mammals. What is a mammal? We can see here some animals like kangaroo, raccoon, chimpanzee, bat, whale, fox, anteater, chipmunk. These are mammals. A mammal is an animal whose babies are fed with milk from the mother's body. It has a backbone and a well-developed brain. A mammal has fur or hair. It is warm-blooded. Let's these properties one by one. Mammals have hair or fur. Give birth to live young. We can see here every mammals have live young. Mammals mother nourish their young with milk. Have lungs and need air to breathe. Mammals that live on land have four legs. You can see here all have mammals have four legs and ear that stick out. You can see here ear that is stick out ear, stick out ear, stick out ear. Through this footage, we can identify a mammal. Let's see some example of mammal. Here are some example of mammals. Badger, bat, bear, bison, cow, deer, bull, calf, camel, cat, coyote, dog, donkey, elephant, fawn, fox, horse, hyena, giraffe, goat, gorilla, hippopotamus, kangaroo, zebra, leopard, lion, monkey, mouse, rhinoceros, sheep, panda bear, pigs, polar bear, tiger, wolf, raccoon. These are mammals. What is birds? What are you seeing in this picture? Some birds. Name the birds. Owl, swan, penguin, eagle, duck, flamingo, ostrich, parrot, blue jay. A bird is an animal that has feather. It is warm-blooded, hatched from an egg, and has a backbone. It has a beak, two legs, and two wings. Let's see these properties. Birds have feathers and wings. We can say all these birds have feathers and wings. Lay eggs, have two legs, ear holes inside of ears, holes inside of ears. Let's see some example of dove, parrot, sparrow, swallow, robin, pigeon, blackbird, penguin, crow, hawk, bald eagle, raven, owl, woodpecker, seagull, stork, flamingo, swan, goose, ostrich, turkey, peacock. These are the example of birds. They all have wings and they can fly in air. What is a fish? What are you looking in this picture? Some fishes. Name the fish. Piranha, seahorse, swordfish, flying fish, shark, porcupine fish, goldfish, trout. A fish is an animal that lives in water and breathes through gills. It has a backbone. Most fish have fins, are covered with scales, and are cold-blooded. Let's see these properties. Fish breathe underwater using gills, no lungs. They don't have lungs, they have gills. Live in water, have scales and fins. You can see here scales, no hair or fur. They don't have hair or fur. Cold-blooded, lay many eggs. Fish lay many eggs. Let's see some example of look some beautiful and colorful fishes. Mandarin fish, threadfin butterfly fish, queen anglefish, lionfish, royal anglefish, regal blue tank, bleakers, parrotfish, yellow long-nosed butterfly fish, banded butterfly fish, emperor anglefish, clownfish, Banghai, cardinal fish. Next, what is a reptile? Sport these animals: iguana, turtle, tuatara, snake, tortoise, lizard, crocodile. A reptile is an animal that has dry, rough, scaly skin. It has lungs for breathing. A reptile is cold-blooded and has a backbone. Most reptiles hatch from eggs. Let's see some example of reptiles. Can you identify these animals? Name the animals. Skink, crocodile, lizard, gecko, snake, chameleon, tortoise, turtle. Except turtle and tortoise, all these animals are very dangerous. What is an amphibian? Look this picture of animals. and try to identify. Sicilian tree frog, salamander frog, siren, toad, newt. These are some amphibians. An amphibian is an animal that usually lives part of its life in water and part of its life on land. It is cold blooded and has a backbone. Most amphibians have a smooth, moist skin and no scales. Amphibians means double life. Animal those live double life are amphibian. As frog live inside water and on land. That's why they are amphibian. Amphibians lives on land and in water. Webbed feet. You can see design of the feet of all amphibians are look like same like this called webbed feet breathe with lungs and gills. They have lungs and gills both. Cold blooded, moist, smooth skin, no hair or fur. Four legs. All amphibians have four legs and they lay many eggs. Let's see some example of amphibians. Here some example of amphibians: frog, salamander, toad, newt, Sicilian. Next, all insect body are divided in three parts. First one is head, second is thorax, third is abdomen. And insect have a pair of antenna, six legs, one, two, three, four, five, six. Through this all properties we can identify a insect. Look here some examples of insect. Fly, dragonfly, bee, caterpillar, centipede, ant, butterfly, spider, mosquito, flea, ladybug, grasshopper, termite, praying mantis, louse, firefly, beetle, tick, moth, wasp, cricket, roach, cockroach, scorpion. These are examples of insect. Look the picture and write the name of animals. Let's look the picture and you have to write the name of animal that you see in this picture. Here are some leaves and then some animals. You have to find out name of animals. First one is pigeon, then ants, squirrel, crow, monkey, butterfly, raven, sparrow, butterfly, parrot, ants. These are the animals we spot in this picture. Next, look the picture and write the name of animals. Which animal is this? Goat. Then here crane, then frog, turtle, raven, buffaloes. How animal in this picture move? You have to tell how these animal move from place to place. How can horse move? A horse can walk or run. A dog can walk or run. A hen can walk or run or fly. A cockroach can crawl and fly. A lizard can crawl. A rat can walk or jump. A aphid can crawl or fly. A fish can swim. A duck can swim. A bird can fly. A cat can walk or run and jump. A chameleon can crawl. An elephant can walk or run. How these animals move from one to another place? Let's see with some definition. Movement of animals. All organisms have external part. Different animals use their body part in different way to see, hear, grasp object, protect themselves, move from place to place, and seek, find, and take in food, water, in air. Animals move about to look for food, water, and shelter, to escape from danger, and also to find a mate to have young. There are different types of movement that animals can do. Animals which live on land can walk, run, leap, hop, and slither. For example, mammals. Animals which live in water can swim. For example, fishes. Animals which have wings can fly. For example, birds and insects can fly. Reptiles can crawl. For example, a snake. Amphibians can crawl or swim or jump. For example, frog. Note some animal can use two or more this type of movement. Like frog, frog can swim in water and can jump on land. Animal that can fly, animal that can walk or run, animal that can swim, animal that can crawl. Here is some example of animals which can fly, walk, swim, crawl. Bird and insect can fly. Mammals like rhinoceros, cow, tiger, elephant, giraffe can walk or run. Fishes can swim like shark, whale, sea lion, goldfish, eel, and reptiles like crocodile, lizard, crab, turtle, tortoise can crawl. Match the animal to how they move from place to place. Here is a task for you. You have to match animal with their movement. How they move from place to place. First one is cheetah. How can cheetah move? Cheetah can jump like this. Other, which animal can jump? Frog can jump and kangaroo can jump. Which animal can fly? Bat can fly, bee can fly. Slither, which animal can slither? The snake can slither. Run, zebra can run. Swim, fish can swim. Do you know birds that live on water bodies have webbed feet like duck? Monkeys have tails that help them move on trees. Fins enable the fish to swim. Snakes don't have legs. Insects have legs. Millipedes have multiple small legs. Millipede and centipede have multiple small legs. Through this picture, we will enable to identify how animal can move and which animal can fly, hop, crawl, walk, swim. We can able to easily identify that animal. So let's see first fly. Animal which can fly have wings. And second one, their bones are hollow to reduce weight so that they can fly easily. Like bird, butterfly, parrot, cock, bee. All birds and insect can fly. Hop and jump. Animal which can hop or jump, they have long legs, hind limbs are powerful, like frog, monkey, grasshopper, kangaroo. Crawl. Animal which can crawl, they have short legs or no legs and many legs. Ant have legs, they can crawl. Caterpillar, they can crawl. A snake don't have legs, but they can crawl. A snail can crawl, a spider can crawl. Most insects have 6 legs. We can see here a spider have 6 legs and ant also have 6 legs. Walk. Animal which can walk, they have medium legs and a strong muscle which help to run, like human, deer, elephant, cow, goat. Almost all mammals can walk. Swim. Animal which can swim, they have fins, appendage. Fins help fish in swimming, and the fins help them too in swimming, like fish, human, crab, tortoise, octopus. Animals form or habitat of animals. Animals live in different places. Some animals live on the branches of trees. Let's see here. Parrot live on the branch. Chameleon live on the branch. Monkey, squirrel, a snake also live on, and some snake. All birds, some insect also live on branch. Animals form or habitat of animals. Some animals live on land. Let's see example. Giraffe, lion, zebra, bear, deer, hawk, fox, tiger, elephant, camel, rhino, monkey, apes, kangaroo, leopard, and lots of many animals live on land. Animals form or habitat of animals. Some animals live under the ground. Let's some example. Ant live under the ground. Rat live under the ground. Earthworm live under the ground. Animals form and habitat of animals. Some animals live in water. Let's see some example of that animals which live in water. Here is lots of animals you can see here that live in water. Seagull, dolphin, fish, whale, killer whale, shark, starfish, jellyfish, carp, octopus. Lots of animal is here you can see. Animals form habitat of animals. Some animals live on the leaves, like a stick insect, caterpillar, bug, grasshopper, snail, praying mantis, beetle. Animals form or habitat of animals. Some animals live on trunk. Some birds live on trunks. Termite live inside the trunk, and ants also live on the trunk. A squirrel also live on the trunk.